This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot. Open Settings and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot or portable hotspot so your phone broadcasts an SSID. Make sure you know the network name and password, and plug the phone into power if the battery is low because tethering drains it fast. Once done, disable any active VPNs on the phone since they can prevent PC access, and double-check your mobile plan permits tethering. Otherwise, the connection may be blocked by your carrier. You now switch to the PC and select the phone's SSID from the Wi-Fi network list. Enter the hotspot password carefully because one wrong character stops the link. Once connected, set the network profile to private if you trust the device so Windows allows sharing, or choose public to tighten security. If you prefer USB tethering, connect the phone via cable and enable USB tethering on the phone. Allow driver installation on the PC, and confirm the new network adapter appears in Network Settings. You finish by testing the connection, open a web page, or run a quick speed test to confirm internet access and acceptable latency. Make sure the hotspot uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and a strong password, and remember to turn the hotspot off when finished to save battery and data. If the PC connects locally, but there's no internet, try toggling airplane mode on the phone, restarting both devices, or re-enabling mobile data. These simple resets often clear routing or carrier authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.